Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Roast in oven until thermometer registers 115 degrees Fahrenheit for rare or 120 degrees to 130 degrees Fahrenheit for medium. The internal temperature of the roast will continue to rise after you take the roast out of the oven. Check the temperature of the roast using a meat thermometer an hour before you expect the roast to be done. 6 days ago.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
Cooking the roast cold. Cooking cold meat is one of the biggest cooking mistakes there is, because chilled meat needs to spend more time exposed to the heat, causing the outer parts of it to overcook. Start off on the right foot by letting your prime rib sit at room temperature for a full 3 hours before roasting it.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.